Assalamu alaikum. This is Mohammad Hashir Khan, array number 5041. So today our topic is soil sampling. So in this video I will tell you how we will do soil sampling practically. So basically for this practical we will need a sieve, two glasses or two boxes, and an instrument through which we can dig into the soil. So now I will show you this practical as practically. So we will take two samples from 0 to 10 centimeter and 10 to 20 centimeter respectively, like this. So basically this is sample number A, from 0 to 10 centimeter. Now we will take sample number B, 0 to 10 to 20 centimeter, like this. From same area under the above sample. So basically we took two samples, and now we passed this sample through a sieve, like this. This is sample number A. We will put this sample into the sieve. So pure soil will pass through this sieve, and the waste material of the soil remain above the sieve, into the sieve. So this is waste material and we will throw this. This is pure soil and we will put this into the sample number A. Like this. So this is sample number A. Same this procedure will apply on sample number B. So we will put this into the sample number B, like this. So this is sample number A and sample number B. So now we will place these samples for to dry until for 3 to 4 days, until it completes dry. So basically this was our topic, and this is completed. I hope you will appreciate this. Thank you so much.